Hello, I'm Abhishek. In this video, we are going to discuss set 6 of reasoning section of CAT 2018 slot 1 paper. The question is, 24 people are there which are part of 3 committees which are to look at research, training and administration. No 2 committees have any member in common. No 2 committees are of the same size. Each committee has 3 types of people, bureaucrats, educationalists and politicians, with at least one from each of the 3 types in each committee. The following facts are also known about the committees. First, the number of bureaucrats in research and teaching committee are equal, while the number of bureaucrats in the research committee is 75% of the number of bureaucrats in the administration committee. The number of educationalists in teaching committee is less than the number of educationalists in the research committee. The number of educationalists in the research committee is the average of the number of educationalists in the other 2 committees. And last information, 60% of the politicians are in the admin department, admin committee, and 20% are in teaching. So let us try to tabulate this out. जो information given है, so that is okay. So from here we have the number of bureaucrats in the research committee. In the research committee is and teaching committee are equal. So we have bureaucrats in this and this committee are equal. And this number is 75% of the number of bureaucrats in the admin committee. So now let us assume that the number of bureaucrats in admin was 4x. So 75% of 4x is 3x, and that bureaucrats in research and training are equal. So overall, we can fill this value, a total of 10x were bureaucrats. The number of educationalists in teaching committee, let it be B, is less than the number of educationalists in the research committee. So B is less than A. This is one of the conditions. The number of educationalists in the research committee is the average of the number of educationalists in the research committee is average of the number of educationalists in the other 2 committees. So basically, let this value be C. So this A is basically average of B and C. So B plus C by 2. Fine. Further, 60% of the politicians are in admin committee. 60, let the total number of politicians be P. So 60%, that is 0.6 P are in admin committee, whereas 20% are in teaching committee. So 0.2 P are in teaching, and the remaining 0.2 P must be then in the research committee. Fine. So this was all about the information which was given to us, and the total number of all the committee members equals 24. So the summation of all this must be equal to 24. Fine. So let us try कि कैसे कर सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. So the total number of bureaucrats is 10x plus here we can use this is B plus C and this is also B plus C by 2. So B plus C plus B plus C by 2 and politician number of politicians, total politicians be P, and this must be equal to 24. Now further, this is 10x plus 1.5 times of B plus C plus P must be equal to 24. Now see, the value of x can be 1 only. Why? Now suppose हम x को 0 देते हैं, but x cannot be equal to 0, otherwise ये members 0 हो जाएंगे. X को suppose हम 2 देते हैं, so then this will become 20. So out of 24 members, 20 will be bureaucrats. But then यहाँ पर total at least 6 members तो होने चाहिए थे, वो भी नहीं हो पाएंगे. So x equal to 2 is not possible, and any value greater than 1 is not possible in fact. So the only possible value for this x is 1 only. So we can say that the value of x is 1, and if x is 1, then this becomes 3, this becomes 3, and this becomes 4. Fine. Or जो remaining equation है that remains 1.5 times of B plus C plus P is equal to 24. Fine. So let us do one thing. यहाँ पर हम ये values fill कर देते हैं. So the values are 3, 3 and 4. Okay. The values are 3, 3 and 4. This we have found out. Now we need to check out for these 2 values. What are the possible values that P can assume? Now see, we are calculating 60% of P. Now suppose let us assume that the value of P is, say, let's start from 24 itself. but P cannot be equal to 24 क्योंकि उसका 60% points में आएगा and number of persons cannot be equal to anything in point. Fine. So P is something जिसका 60% integer आए. Now let us assume P is say 20. Now P 20 भी नहीं हो सकता है because फिर जो remaining होंगे वो 1.5 के multiple नहीं रहेंगे. Now suppose P is 20, then B plus C 1.5 into B plus C must be equal to 4, but then this B plus C ये जो आपका 4 है that is not a multiple of 1.5. ये जो भी value आनी चाहिए it must be a multiple of 1.5 है ना. तो P equal to 20 is also not possible. So let us assume that P equal to 15. Sorry, but the biggest thing is that I have made a mistake. Here it must be 14. Fine. क्योंकि हम इसमें से 10 bureaucrats तो हम हटा ही चुके हैं. So the total number now is 14 only. Now the possible values of P is 10. Now suppose P is 10. तो यहाँ पर we have 6, यहाँ पर we have 2, यहाँ पर we have 2. But then the issue remains. जो remaining 1.5 B plus C है, that cannot be equal to 4. So that means कि P is not equal to 10 as well. Fine. So we can eliminate this as well. Now let us check for P is equal to 9. Not possible because 60% of 9 will not be an integer. 8 not possible. 7 not possible. 6 not possible. Let us try for 5. Now suppose P is 5. So this 60% of 5 is 3, which is integer. 20% of 5 is 1, and this is also 1. Now this is possible. And then 1.5 times of B plus C will equal 1.5 times of B plus C will equal how much? 9. So B plus C will be 6. And which is also a possible condition. So from here we can say that the value of P is 5. So let me erase this value और यहाँ पे हम substitute कर देते हैं. Now we have find it out. The value of P is 5. Total politicians 5 and 1, 1 and 3 से वो fill हुए. Fine. Now इसे भी हम remove कर देते हैं. Now the remaining condition is that we have find the value of B plus C as 6. Now B plus C is 6. तो ठीक है, हम substitute करते हैं B plus C की value. So we know that A equal to B plus C by 2. So we can simply say that A is nothing but 3. The value of A is 3. We can say this because A was B plus C by 2. Now there is a confusion between the values of B and C. Now we know that B is less than A. So B can be 2. And in that particular case, C will be 4. Or the other case is that we can have B as 1 as well. Us case mein C will be 5. So we are not sure about the values of B and C. Rest all values we have find out. Fine. Now let's move to the question part. What are the questions? Now let me remove first all these values which are not required now. Okay, so here's the first question. Based on the given information, which of the following statement must be false? We are looking for the false statement. In admin committee, the number of bureaucrats is equal to number of educationalists in research. Is equal to the number of educationalists. Admin committee में number of educationalists. Now see, this is something जिसके ऊपर हम कुछ comment कर नहीं सकते हैं. In case C की value 4 होती है तो ये true हो सकता है, 5 पर ये false हो सकता है. So we are not sure about this statement. इस पे कुछ comment नहीं कर सकते. The size of research committee is less than that of teaching committee. Research committee में we have how many? 7 members are there. Teaching में we have 3, and in case we have 2 members over here, so 2 और 1 6 हो जाएंगे, और in case 1 1 लेते हैं तो 5 हो जाएंगे. There is a confusion on this. और यहाँ पर कितना हो जाएगा? 4 4 3 लेते हैं तो it will be 11, and 4 5 3 लेते हैं तो it will be 12. Now again coming to second option, the size of research committee is less than that of teaching committee, which is not possible. चाहे 6 value हो, चाहे 7 हो, this is not possible. So this is false statement. So the correct answer is option B. Okay, so now moving to next second question of the set. Okay, what is the number of bureaucrats in the admin committee? Number of bureaucrats in the admin committee. So we have 4 bureaucrats in the admin committee. So correct answer is 4. This was a direct question. Fine. Now moving to third question of this set. What is the number of educationalists in research committee? Educationalists in research committee. See, educationalists in research committee is 3 only. कोई सा भी केस लेते हैं, educationalists in research committee will be 3 only. So the correct answer to this question is 3. And last question of this set. Which of the following cannot be determined uniquely based on the given information? So first statement is, okay, first the total number of educationalists in the 3 committees, total number of educationalists. See, the total number we can find out. देखिए ये वाला केस लेते हैं तो 3 + 2 + 4 it will be 9, और ये वाला केस लेते हैं तो 3 + 1 + 5 again it will be 9. तो total number is same. Fine. तो ये तो हम पता कर सकते हैं. The total number of bureaucrats in the 3 committee, bureaucrats in the 3 committee is also fixed, which is 11. The size of teaching committee. Now see, there is a confusion in teaching committee ki the total size will be 6 or 5. So this is something we are not sure of. The size of the research committee is again fixed. It is 7 only. So option C is the correct statement. This is something which we cannot determine uniquely. So I hope guys ये set आपको clear होगा. Thank you so much.